Using Nude Illusion Concealer, conceal under the eyes and any blemishes. Using Rose Foundation in the Breeze system, I'm going to get the most even and perfectly flawless complexion. Add warmth and dimension with a little bit of contouring. And a neutral blush since we have such a bright top on in Demure. Quick 2-second brow. And a very simple nude eyeshadow, a light soft purple across the lid and a deeper color in the crease. Line and define with a liquid liner, and we use Topaz here. Bringing in that spring look and matching our shirt, but just so slightly, we're going to line with our liner, finish with lipstick in Loyal, and of course, lip jelly for a beautiful shine and a little pout. That's it. This spring look is an absolute breeze.